Don't lose your mind over someone who doesn't even care about losing you. Other people, they can cause heartbreak to you. After heartbreak, you are going crazy about your boyfriend, about your girlfriend. But that person doesn't care about losing you. Sometimes you have to put yourself together and focus with your life, because other people, when you are crazy about them, they don't care. They can be happy that person is crazy about me. They can enjoy the condition you are. So sometimes we have to put yourself together. Even you are crazy, don't show that person that you are going crazy about him. So sometimes you have to focus with your life, because other people, they don't care to lose you. They can do whatever they can do with their lives. Even that thing can hurt you, or maybe the way they are acting can hurt you, or maybe you end up having a heartbreak. Other people, they don't care. Even they lose you or what, they don't care, because they can move on with their life. But we have got a heartbreak for years. You know that is not easy to heal a heartbreak of a person, a boyfriend or a girlfriend. So it's better to put yourself together and move on with your life like nothing is happening.